told us on Tisari.
It's time to stop. If Nian, the guardian of time, is with me,
How can we help him out it?
you must go to the clock tower.
Time is broken because humans have forget to value it. What shall we do? Meet the guardian of time and prove your good intention.
Why have you come? We want time to move again.
Comes to tell you every session. You promise in sincere.
We have served the village. We learn on thing.
Time is the most precious thing of all.